The advantages of regularly consuming baking soda and apple cider vinegar for your health, along with an easy DIY recipe. Number 1. Approximately 8,000 years ago, the ancient Egyptians utilized apple cider vinegar as an antibacterial. It was also prescribed and recommended as a healing elixir. Greece. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda are the most potent natural medicines available today. Number 2. These ancient societies also employed baking soda as a natural soap, and when it was digested, it was found to be effective in treating a wide range of illnesses. Number 3. One way to treat numerous health issues and even regulate body fat is to drink a glass of water mixed with baking soda and apple cider vinegar every day before meals. Number 4. These readily available compounds may be found in supermarkets worldwide and help enhance the body's inherent healing capabilities. Let's look at the recipe that you will require. 1/3 cup of unrefined apple cider vinegar. Drink this twice daily, on an empty stomach, at least an hour before meals. Combine the ingredients in a mug with 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1 cup warm water, about 250 milliliters. If you want the mixture to taste better, add a small bit of raw honey or lemon juice. Number 5. This beverage gives you an energy boost and facilitates better meal digestion, which allows the body to absorb more nutrients and improves general health. Number 6. Kidney health is crucial because it removes toxins from our diet and prescription medications, which helps to prevent and treat urinary infections. Number 7. This significantly lowers the possibility of developing gallbladder, liver, or kidney stones because of the mixture's sulfur component. Number 8. It successfully reduces inflammation by flushing out extra fluid from the body, which can lead to pressure points in the muscles and joints. This is great for people with arthritis and joint discomfort. Number 9. This drink contains easily absorbed vitamin A, which helps to protect the eyes from infections like keratitis and eliminate dryness. Number 10. While apple cider contains enzymes that help your stomach repair and control its acidity going forward, the baking soda cures severe stomach acid problems, and the apple cider heals GERD, acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion. Number 11. Often because of the bad meals and beverages we consume, our bodies become acidic. This tonic helps with this by hydrating the body, which helps with skin issues including dermatitis, acne, and dry skin. Number 12. Since acidity in the body frequently causes allergies, taking this regularly may reduce your risk of developing hay fever, urticaria, hives, and many other allergies. Number 13. More and more people are reporting success with baking soda as a cancer treatment. Many claim that this has delayed the growth of tumors and can be used in conjunction with conventional cancer therapies. Number 14. It's crucial to use raw apple cider vinegar because it contains something essential called the mother, which is made up of strands of protein, enzymes, and good bacteria that occasionally resemble cobwebs in the vinegar. Number 15. Bicarbonate of soda is another name for baking soda, which is a white powder. Make sure you acquire baking soda instead of baking powder when making this purchase, as the latter contains other substances that are not required for this natural remedy. Number 16. Taking this natural remedy daily helps prevent sinus infections, colds, coughs, sore throats, and congestion. It efficiently breaks down mucus and phlegm, clearing the airways and accelerating the healing process when you have an infection. Number 17. Due to the high mineral content of this mixture, dental health is enhanced by stronger teeth and gums and a reduction in muscle cramps. Number 18. This specific health tonic frequently results in weight loss since the body automatically stabilizes its fat levels after 3 months of use. Number 19. By lowering bad cholesterol and assisting in the removal of arterial plaque, the apple cider vinegar in the mixture helps to promote heart health. Number 20. If you don't like the flavor, you can drink it straight without the water in a shot glass. Just be sure to eat some fruit very early to wash down the bitter taste. Number 21. See our other videos for additional information about the advantages of eating natural foods. I sincerely thank you for your support. Please remember to subscribe for more wholesome films. I hope you have good health, prosperity, and joy.